Hi guys, in this video I will show you that how you can fix the sorry this application cannot run under a virtual machine. So I will show you guys best solution to fix this problem, so make sure you watch the whole video. First go to your Windows search, type the registry editor and open it. Now here you need to go to your H key local machine, just expand it and now look for the hardware. Just double tap on that and expand it. And now look for the description. Now look for the system, just click on that and on the right hand side you will see the system BIOS version. So now right click on it, click on the modify, and here in the value data you have to just type this text and this text, which is the NOBOX, and then space -1. So you have to just paste this manually, click on the OK, and now click on the OK. So now you have to just close this and now just restart your PC, and after the restart your problem is fixed. So if yes, please don't forget to hit the like button and also do subscribe to our channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.